It starts with community. Where social connections are at the very beating heart of a happy, healthy and flourishing society.
That's why the National Lottery Community Fund supports amazing community-led projects.
By listening and responding to communities, and by supporting bolder change, we're looking to make a bigger difference in the years ahead. We're proud to be the largest community funder in the UK, and thanks to the National Lottery players, we plan to distribute at least £4 billion of funding by 2030. Communities are at the heart of what we do. It always has been, but in our new strategy, we're going to be accelerating our work to champion grassroots community projects, supporting communities to shape their future. That's why we're doubling the grant funding for our National Lottery Awards for All programme, from £10,000 to £20,000. It's the biggest change in National Lottery funding for a generation.
With thanks to the National Lottery Community Fund, we have been able to tackle social isolation and promote health and well-being. We know bringing people together helps them to discover the abundance of skills that exist in their community.
Our funding is available to all communities. We know communities want bolder change to tackle some of the big challenges they face. So we'll invest most where the need is greatest, with people, places and communities experiencing poverty, disadvantage and discrimination. Our adaptability and renewed focus to make a bigger impact will be shaped in the following 4 community-led missions. We'll fund projects that create accessible, welcoming places for people to meet, enabling people from all backgrounds to shape the future of their communities and help people to feel like they belong.
When you're diagnosed with a rare disease, you often feel isolated and lonely. It's difficult to know where you'll find your community, and that's why, through the work that we're doing at Same But Different, it's important to raise awareness, to amplify voices, and to give people a stronger place in their community.
We'll support communities to be environmentally sustainable, funding projects that reduce carbon emissions, create positive environmental impacts, and improve the quality of natural spaces.
The National Lottery Community Fund allows us to connect people to the local environment through various initiatives such as environmental education, volunteering and outdoor recreation in order for people to boost their mental health and get fit and healthy.
We will support communities to enable children and young people to access resources and experiences to help them thrive. We'll fund projects that create opportunities for children and young people to enjoy community experiences, help shape the decisions that affect them, and have access to facilities that will make positive differences to their lives.
I think it's imperative that children and young people are supported. Bringing their needs into key focus is key to supporting them. An organisation like ours will continue to do what we can to help them along the way.
We will support communities to enable people to live healthier lives, funding projects that help reduce health inequalities, increase opportunities for community participation to shape better health services and take a preventative approach to health.
So here at Men Matter Scotland, we believe that healthy communities are made up of healthy individuals, and we think it's really important that projects such as ourselves are supported to empower local people to live healthier lives and contribute to a healthier community.
Thanks to the National Lottery players, the Community Fund has been hugely successful over the last 30 years. During this time, we've gained invaluable knowledge that we can utilise now and for the future. But we're ambitious to do more supporting, learning and championing. We'll take an equitable approach in all we do. We'll put impact on the environment and nature at the heart of our decision making. Our new strategy sets out to strengthen society and improve lives across the UK. The next chapter of the National Lottery Community Fund starts here. And, like always, it starts with community.